Welcome back, everyone. We have a pretty busy week coming up. We have CPI and PPI. PPI is going to be on Wednesday, and then CPI is on Thursday, along with the initial jobless claim numbers. So it's going to be a pretty busy week, and a lot could happen. So we're going to go through some of the charts that I am watching. There are some really good stocks that are looking as well, and I'll go over the list that I am going to be looking at it, and then we'll go from there. So let me share my screen. Okay, so let's start with SPY first. SPY pretty much held our level of 643 and rejected 652. So we're currently kind of in this zone. So depending on which side do we break out of it first, if we break above, then we can continue to target our levels to the upside. 654, 657, and 660. So which isn't too far away, literally $8. Pretty much doable at where we are right now, right? So far, our levels have been playing out very nicely. So let's just see, be cautious. Monday might not see much movements. Tuesday might be also sideways because Wednesday and Thursday is where everybody's going to be waiting for that data to come out. And from there, we might see more of a movement on Wednesday and Thursday. But again, if we lose 650 come Monday morning, you can target to the downside. However, if we hold between 650 and 652, I would stay out of it. You don't want to get chopped. Either wait for it to break above 652 or break below 650. So then at least you have a sum of area to work with and have levels to move to the upside as well. Okay, let's go through some of our regular charts. I'm gonna go with Apple first. And we've been watching, I've been saying Apple has room to go. Apple do have an event coming up as well on the 9th. And we do have this supply zone that we are wanting for it to go test, right? So 250 seems like is pretty doable on Apple. I'm going to just pull up my flow as well and believe on the exact contracts that I. So Apple looks like has quite a bit of money on the 250 strike price. So literally almost 2.7 million that are the new opening orders. And we have recaptured above where the sell orders were sitting. And this was a 4-hour bull flag as well. This was one of the trades that we took in our challenger account. So I am definitely looking for it to continue and test this supply zone to the 250 area as well. That's one. And let's go through quickly our list. AMD, looking more like a bearish. It has broken below a key level of 155, as you can see. This has been taken out, but let's see if it starts to break below 150, 149 area. We do have a tiny gap that could get filled. However, there are puts that are present that came in on Friday, and they're sitting at the 140 area. So 140 area also is aligning with our where did it go? Right about here, this zone, and we do have a gap right above it as well. So this is the area that I would watch to see if AMD does pull back to look for along to the upside. However, I actually don't have any buyers until 122, but we could see a bounce from here as well. So that's something to watch. Next is Amazon. Again, if you remember my videos, I've been saying Amazon isn't done yet. And Amazon is another name that has quite a bit of bullish flow that has not been tagged. And they've been pounding the same strike over and over to the upside. So I'm definitely watching to see if we come down and we fill this gap and we hold with volume, then might not be a bad to take a trade to the upside. However, if we are breaking out, you want to first wait, let it break out above 235, this 236 area. If we can break this to the upside with a volume candle, this is honestly looking really good. Could easily get a $4 to $10 move on Amazon. Probably up to 250 area is looking very nicely that it could hit. Okay, next, I'm just gonna go through some of the names. Google, we got paid very nicely on Google as well. Again, I've been saying Google isn't done. I actually closed my weekly contracts for 1100%. And again, another name that I think it could continue 240 to 250 seems very easily. I'm still holding a majority of my leaps on Google as well. Okay. Microsoft was another name that saw quite a bit of a bearish flow. If Microsoft is starting to lose 490, we could target 480 area very easily, but 490 is going to be a strong support area just because it's a whole number as well, and we have bounced it before. So watch 490 area, see how it reacts here and how it bounces from it. And that's another one. Nvidia could start to bounce from here now. I need to delete these. Where we are, as long as we can get above 165, this could actually see a decent bounce. Even if it pulls back a little bit more and holds above 160, I would not mind a wick like this and then continue to the upside. We do have sellers sitting here. We could go back and grab these orders as well. So easy $10-15 move is very possible on Nvidia as well. Let's see what we have next. Where did my Tesla go? Everybody's favorite. So Tesla did hit a key level of 350. It did try to break out all the way to 355. We do have a supply zone above here. Honestly, Tesla has been seeing a bullish flow as well. I think 375 to 380 is very easy on Tesla, but I would buy time. I would not do any short term again on this name. And it does have a gap that needs to be filled. If it does pull back and we fill this gap and you have a nice volume candle on the 4-hour, you can definitely look for a swing and target this supply zone as well to the upside. I think this is it on the regular kind of stuff that we do go over it, but let's review. Cliff was the last time that I gave you guys, this was a swing. We pretty much all are getting paid on it. It is still up and moving to the upside. It still has a room. I'm still holding quite a few contracts. I am targeting the $13.50 to $14 to the upside as well. Same thing with the CRM, very nice bounce from it. So let's see, it did on earnings dump quite a bit. We still have that gap, but we recaptured it very quickly. So let's see if we can continue to move to the upside as well. Let's look at Marble. Nice consolidation. I would not mind having another gap down or wick into this zone and then take off. That would be ideal, but as something that you can definitely watch as well. JD starting, what a beautiful candle on the daily as well. This could be really start and our leaps are gonna look very good. We are already green on it. Would not mind taking some profit into the $33 area as well. So this is what we are watching on JD. I do have quite a few new names as well that I want to go over. UPST. So UPST actually got a strong rejection. So if I can't even pronounce. If UPST cannot recapture above this $67 or $68 to the upside, I think it can pull back to the down very easily. $60 is where a lot of the orders are sitting as well. So you could easily target 60 to the downside, or wait for it to come down to 60 and then take it to the upside. Next is cost. This was a nice recovery. I've shared it a few times. Right out of the buyers showed up. We broke above the 945 area. We do have a supply, but that's about $20. You could have a nice day trade on it. Costco can move anywhere from $7 to $15 in a day. And there is this supply, and there are some bullish orders sitting at 970. Sorry, not bullish orders. We do have a flow at 975 calls as well. Next is Unity. The reason I'm sharing this one is because we have leaps on it, and I know some of us have covered calls on it as well. I think this name could easily see $50 to $52 as well. There's still plenty of room left on it. It just absorbed all of these sellers as well. So we could continue to the upside. I am targeting this 52 area on Unity. Okay, next is ARM. This could be setting up very nicely as well if it holds above this demand zone. Even if we come back and retest and we hold the 134 area, this could easily see 148 right here is where we have a supply zone, 148. And if we are breaking and you buy time on it, there is a huge gap to the upside that will need to get filled as well. Okay, next is... I'm just trying to make sure. A lot of the times I miss some of my stocks that I don't go over. Okay, what a beautiful candle that we printed. This is the one that we saw the flow come in as well on Wednesday. I believe Wednesday or Thursday. So we did take already in the contracts. It held the demand, held the $85 area as well. This is looking really nice to the upside. We could easily get into this $100 area, $100 zone as well. But let's see if we can clear 90 and continue to move higher as well. So this is looking really nice. Even if you don't have an entry, I would definitely look for it. The buying was very, very strong on it. Next, my favorite is INQ. Very nice compression happening here as well. We broke out of a bull flag. This could be also making our AMD setup. If you know what AMD setup is, we are looking to see this consolidation, manipulation, and looks like we could have a nice distribution to the upside as well. So this name could see 50. If we break this out, this could continue to the higher side to the 58 and 60 area as well. One of my favorite setups so far. I do like how it is compressing, how this is setting up as well. This really looks really nice. Somebody asked the question in masterclass on Friday. I do like this name. Went through the flow as well. There is a flow sitting as well. I am actually building a tool that is looking really, really nice, where we are able to see exactly where the highest buy sell orders are, or highest sell orders are, based on the volume that comes in our basically like another flow tool that you guys see, but yeah, a little bit more cleaner to read for a beginner. So I'm really excited for that. I'm targeting this one to the 1545 area, and I have sell orders sitting at 1580. Again, at it's $87 million of orders sitting here as well. So we can see if buyers can, basically take these in and sweep out of the sellers, we could continue to the upside as well. But definitely would not mind some pullback and then take the entry on this name as well. Next is MU. what a move out of it. I know you guys in the other group have been took MU based on the flow that came in. So this could give you another $5 to $10 move on it, because remember, I've been sharing this chart for a while too. I shared the accumulation, manipulation, and this distribution breakout. And we had the nice bull flag that we are broke out of it. So there is a lot of pressure to the upside. So any pullback, as long as it holds above 125, I think this could make a really nice move, give you a between $5 to $10 move easily, if not more. Okay, next is we can thank our friend Benita. She found all of these. I would go for shares. I would not be fighting for options on this one unless you're going out to the 2027 contracts, because sell orders are stacked, but these sell orders can be eaten by the buyers very quickly. Could easily see $4, and that's where I see a lot of the flow as well on it. And I do like how it's making the higher lows on, and we had buyers step in and we took out bounced from it. So I would definitely look for some shares on this name. Next is SOXL. This is another name from Benita. It does look really good. And I like how nice the inverted head and shoulder is on this. If we can break above 30, this could totally fly to the upside as well. You can target 32, 35, and then 40 area. And that's exactly where we have the sell orders sitting as well. Okay. Next is Dell. So very nice rejection so far from, and I've shared this chart before too, nice bull flag breakout. We did get into the gap, we did fill, and we do have sell orders sitting here as well, and a supply zone. So now as long as we hold above 120 and we could actually get above 130 easily and target this to the upside as well. So something to keep an eye on. This is also looking like inverted head and shoulder as well. So this could be a nice setup to the upside. Bill moved very nice right out of the demand zone. I've shared this a few times as well. This demand zone has held and we broke out of it. We had buyers have taken over the sellers as well. You can easily target 60 area on this name as well. I would buy time just because we are coming. It's a 3-day chart, not a daily chart. So something to keep in mind on. CSX. So this is going to be your 4-day chart, and very nice inverted head and shoulder again on this one. Benita found this setup as well. Again, we hold 32. I think this is looking really nice to the upside as well. By November, December contracts. Next is JOBY. This is another one, double bottom. And you have an inside candle on the 4-day as well. Whichever way we break out, this is going to continue to the upside. We could easily, again, target this $19 to $20 as well. These small names under 20 bucks are good for shares. Next is TDOC. A reason I'm sharing this one because we have a leap on it. And I think this is looking pretty good too. And as long as we hold and break, and I would say hold above $7 because you have quite a bit of buyers here, we could come back and retest and then continue to the upside as well. I think this is it. VST. Oh, very nice setup on it. Again, another inverted head and shoulder. This could easily see 215 area to the upside. As long as it doesn't break below 179, I would definitely look for a trade to the upside. I think I went over. I will do it again. Oh, Uber, no, I did not. Look at that. This was our trade for for our challenge account for the $500 one, but look at the pullback. It held again the stop loss, gave you another entry. The thesis stays the same. Nothing has really changed. This could bounce a nice hammer candle on the 4-day. So that is looking really nice. Even the daily has a hammer candle. Really liking this setup. As long as 90 holds, this is looking prime to the upside as well. MP, this name has moved quite a bit, but let's see. I like where it is. If we can have even a little bit more pullback, would not mind into the 57, 58 area or 60, anywhere in those three levels to take a call to the back to the upside again. VNEP. Another name, this could be a nice bull flag as well. We had a nice back test also, and I would only do shares. I would not do options. This does have a room to go to the $13 to $15 to the upside also. Tim, I think I went over this name. Really like this one as well. Flow is pretty bullish, and we cleared 80. This could give you 85 to 86 very, very easily. So something to keep an eye on it. This is it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys Monday morning. And if you guys liked, please do like and subscribe. I will see you all Monday. And if you have any questions, please leave it down. And we will be live trading Monday morning on IG subscribers. And I will see you there. Thank you.